Okay. Okay, ito po ang final game of this show. Do friendly daba sa Titos and Titas League po tayo ngayon. Our following sponsors, and of course, this is part of by Team SBB Pilipinas, QBFR Pula Preference, and PSBQ Basketball League. And final game for the day is Mechanicos versus CAS. Yan po yan. Again, Mechanicos versus CAS po yan. This is your final game now for the day between Mechanicos clad in black versus CAS clad in white. Game. Real and number 27. Hop. Isa pa. And top now to number 17, number 4. Baklaan na wala pong bola sa kanya. Balik po sa CAS ang bola. Roldan, inbounding, hombre. Roldan again. Number 30, Bacalinaw. 2 points, Bacalinaw. Okay, lands. Frias, pops up, 2 points. Okay, Roldan, binababa ang bola ni Roldan. Roldan, binababa ang bola. Asinjo, malakas ang bola. Si Asinjo ba yan? Okay, now to Lance. Number 30. Baklaan. Baklaan, drop pass. Frias, no good. Nice rebound by number 2 to Roldan. Roldan, nagmamadali against Walter. Roldan. Number 20, intercepted by Walter. Balik muli po sa Mechanicos ang bola. 2-all ang score. 30. Frias. Thinking 3. Wag muna raw. Walter. Walter. Binanata ng 2. Nope. Number 28. Real. Lance. Baklaan. Nice drop pass. Ilabas muna. Maita kasi. May lang bola. Pops up for 2. No good. Number 2. Number 2. Roldan. Roldan. Malakas ang pasa. Malakas ang pasa. Lance. Real. Fadeaway shot. No good. Rebound. Again. CAS. Number 2. Number 2. Number 2. Dumusot. Amare. Good ball.
Number 30.
Baklaan. 2 points, Baklaan. Baklaan, 2 points.
Roldan.
Roldan, nagmamadali. Roldan, naipit. And take 2. Roldan. Foul number 5. Take 2 para kay Roldan. Number 1, Roldan shooting for 2. Pops up, kapos. Second shot, jumpers ready. Second shot, jumpers ready po tayo. Roldan. Roldan, pops up. Yes, sirree. 3-4. 3-4. 3-4 tayo. Lance. Lance. Frias. Lance. Drop pass. Real. Walang pinasahan. Pero tumapak sa linya. Out of bounds. Roldan stripped away the ball. Lance. Duko, 2 points. Number 19, 2 points. 6 minutes 48 remaining. First quarter action. Final game of the day between CAS and Airport, and of course Mechanicos. Walter. Wala. Sayang. Roldan against Walter. Number 20, number 2. No good. Real, nakarebound. Lance. Lance. Baklaan.
Baklang.
Lance.
Frias.
Lance for 2. No good. Rebound, battle won by Roldan. Nope.
Pangalinaw.
It's number 30. To Roldan. Nakuha. Lance.
Real.
Lance. Wala.
Real.
Leal, wala pa rin. Rebound, battle won by number 41. Oops. Same ball.
Last touch sa baka.
Baklaan, last touch is Mr. Baklaan. Now, Asinjo. Inbounding. Number 2. Number 1, Roldan. Good ball and stepping on the line. Lance. Frias. Wala pa rin.
Last. 10 seconds.
Frias. Baklaan. Naipit.
5.
Walter. 2 points, Walter. Okay. Substitute second 5 po. Second 5 po. Pakipasok na po. Second 5. Asinjo, labas muna para kay number 11. Sa kabila naman, Stalisic. Tsaka si number 35 para kay Real at Walter. Roldan. Pops up. 2 points Pagilinaw. Frias, no good.
Pangalinaw.
Roldan, lost the ball. Nakuha ni Talisik. Baklaan, floater shot, malakas. One more time. Lance, lost the ball. Tawag ba sa skit? Ramos for 2. Nope. Roldan. Busy. Wala. Lance. 2 points. 5-10 ang scores. 5-10 already. Laman po ng 5 ang Team Mecanicos. Dish of pass. Makilinaw to Roldan for 3. No good. Talisik ng rebound. Lance. Castro pops up. No good. Rebound number 2. Hombre to Roldan. Makilinaw and 1 play pa ang binigay. Basket made. Number 19 and now Makilinaw number 30 shooting for bonus free throw. Bonus free throw. Pops up. Pasok. 2 minutes 56 remaining. 8-10 ang score. Laman pa rin po ang Team Mecanicos ng dalawa. Lance. Frias. Castro. Baklaan. Lost the ball. Roldan. Chance to tie the ball game. Roldan. Nope. Isa pa. 2 points Roldan. Deadlock situation. Roldan 10-all. 2 points Roldan. Baklaan kumukuha ng ball. Nope, it's Frias. Baklaan. Castro number 35. Nice shot. Nope. Nakuha ni number 2.
Baka number 2.
Number 2. Shake and fake. Amari. Wala. Lance. Pops up. 2 points, Lance. Roldan. Hombre. 2 points, Hombre.
Deadlock.
Hombre, 2 points. A minute and 35 remaining. Baklaan. Baklaan. Nakalusot. Kapos. Number 30. 30. Roldan. Roldan. Driving strong. Kapos. Lance. Creating space. No good. Again, one more time. Frias. Oy! Hacking violation. Okay, same ball. Okay, top from the rebound. Same ball po tayo. Same ball. Frias. Baklaan. Number 4 to Frias. Frias for 3. Bang! Again, 12:50. Lumamang na muli po ang Team Mecanicos. Mecanicos lamang na Roldan. Roldan. And now to Hombre. Nope. Rebound now Castro. Castro on the run. 3-on-2 situation. Lance, nawala ang bola. Lance, shake and fake. And now to Baklaan. Nope, it's Castro. Bang! Castro. 5 seconds remaining. Frias. Wala. Okay, that concludes first quarter action. 12-17 score. Lamang po ang Team Mecanicos over Team CAS. Second quarter starts. Again, Lance. Lance, Walter, wala. Lance, isa pang beses. Lance, wala pa rin. Nakuha ni Walter sana. Pero aray. Kapos. Roldan. Pops up. Nope. One more time. Nakuha ni Walter ng bola. Walter. Walter. 2 points, Walter. Walter, 2 points. Ramos. Hello po, Madam Tere. Magandang gabi po, Madam Tere. Basketball muna po tayo. Watching from Kuwait po yan, si Madam Tere Urbano. Okay, Lance. Number 30 to Talisik. Pops up. Bang. Nope. Ayaw. Roldan. Naka-rebound muna. Roldan. Hustle play by Real. Pero di umubra kay Roldan. Hop. Ramos. Asinjo. Pops up. Pangilinaw. Nilabas ang bola. Lance naman. Lance. Pops up. Kapos. One more time. Talisik naman. Wala pa rin. 7 minutes 33 remaining. Asinjo, sidestepping move, wala pa rin. Okay, balik tayo si Mr. Walter to Lance. Lance to Walter. Walter, pops up, kapos. Roldan, nagmamadali. Roldan, tap from behind by Walter, pero sayang. Out of bounds. Okay. Ayun, 2 points. Nice shot by Asinjo.
5-point lead.
Jay Sena is watching.
Lance.
Talisik. Lance. Pops up for 3. Kapos. And di na follow up. Balik muli po sa puti ang bola. Cas po. Cas. Still trailing by 5 points. Hombre. Roldan. Ramos. Turn around shot. No good. One more time. Makalinaw. Asinjo. No good. Talisik na rebound. Talisik call for the rebound. Walter. Walter again. Lance. Lance again. Lance for 2. Ayaw. Held ball situation. Same ball. Mechanicos. Mechanicos, same ball. Hombre, binabantayan. Ayun, Roldan. Roldan, nagmamadali. Roldan. Roldan, nice pass. Makalinaw. Roldan again. Roldan, 2 points Roldan.
16-19, 3-point lead.
Talisik. Walter.
Next foul back, prepare.
Lance.
Real.
Real. Castro. No good.
Asinjo.
Roldan, 2 points and timeout. Change 5 muli po tayo. Change 5. Sino ba ipapalit? Okay, Makaliw lalabas muna para kay number 2. Sa kabila naman,
1-point lead.
number 2 papasok. Baklaan papasok at si Castro pumasok na rin. Number 30. Number 30. Lance. 4 minutes 30 remaining. Pops up. Nope. Rebound by number 2. Roldan naman sa Roldan. Wala. Baklaan. Lance. Baklaan. Naipit. Castro. Stripped away. Still completed. Asinjo. Roldan. 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 Ayun. 2 points ba? Ayaw niya. Foul. Foul number 5. Foul number 5.
Kaya foul number 4.
Okay, inbound muna po tayo. Si Roldan mag-inbound. Pops up. Kapos. Walter. Nagmamadali. Walter. Frias to Lance. Pops up. Nope. Rebound by number 9. Roldan. Stripped away. Same ball.
Timeout.
Timeout. Katak. Timeout. Team
It's never
Mechanicos.
we move here at LBC. Things like reputation, trust, progress, and yes, even profit. We move those things too. Because we know success is a moving target. And we want to make sure you move right alongside it. We move businesses here at LBC. And yes, we like to move it.
Okay. That's Team LBC, hari ng padala.
Amares na ito.
Amares, Amara, yun, 2 points na Amara.
Lamang na.
Okay, lamang na ang kas. Lumamang na po ang kas. Lance, nagmamadali. Ayaw.
Rhea.
Frias, Baklaan. Frias, pops up. No good. Rebound, baro by Basinjo. Roldan. Number 2.
Amares, tamang-tama.
Wala. Rebound, foul.
Sa likuhon.
Foul, Frias. May konting tula kasi. Bola po ng Team Cas. Asinjo, pasok.
3.8.
Okay, 3-point lead now. Cas now, umaalagwa ng konti. 58 remaining. 54 seconds remaining. Walter. Nice one. Good ball, good ball. 47 remaining. Frias. Lance. Baklaan. Nope. Nahuli. 35 seconds remaining. Lance. Walter. Pops up. Bang. Hoy! Traveling violation.
18 seconds.
IQ play.
15.
Lance.
Pasa na lang.
Wala na! Okay, that's it. Second quarter action is finished. The score is 22-21. Lamang po ang Team Cas. Ano muna tayo? Komerso muna tayo.
It's never just inventory we move here at LBC. Things like reputation, trust, progress, and yes, even profit. We move those things too. Because we know success is a moving target. And we want to make sure you move right alongside it. We move businesses here at LBC. And yes, we like to move it.
Okay, that's Team LBC. Hari ng padala. Back to the ball game. Third quarter action. Start. Change quarter po tayo. Change court. Who's inbounding rep? Okay, Cas ang mag-inbound daw. Cas mag-inbound. Time! Thank you.
Number 11.
Nope.
Alisik to Lance.
Alisik to Lance. Nasaan nagbababa si Lance? 22-21.
Atake.
Real. 2 points Real. Lamang na naman ang Mechanicos.
Canicos.
Ramos. Asinjo. 2 points Asinjo. Okay, binawi na naman ng Cats. Ng Cas ang bola. Again, Lance, may nagbababa ng bola. Baklaan.
Lance. Walter.
Walter pops up. No good.
On Hombre.
Hombre called for a foul. Walter shooting for 2. Number 5, Walter. 2 shots given. First shot, Walter. Pops up. Bang. Second shot, jumpers ready. Second shot to Walter, jumpers ready. Pops up. Bang. Dalawa. 25-25, change favor na naman. 8 minutes 35 remaining. Third quarter action. Hombre, binababa ang bola. To Roldan. Roldan, Asinjo, wala. Talisik na rebound. Baklaan, nag-iisa. Mali pinasahan. Pinasa ka Asinjo, napunta kay Makalinaw. Asinjo naman, Asinjo. 2 points Asinjo. Okay, lamang ulit po ang cast ng isa, 26-25. Sige po, eto na, Walter. Walter, pops up, no good. Basic, wala pa rin. And same ball. Black ball, malamang. Black ball nga. Black ball. Lance. Ayaw. Nahuli. Hop, hop, hop. Foul.
Andrea.
Okay, timeout. Cass.
First foul, Andrea.
It's never just inventory we move here at LBC. Things like reputation, trust, progress, and yes, even profit. We move those things too. Because we know success is a moving target. And we want to make sure you move right alongside it. We move businesses here at LBC. And yes, we like to move it.
Okay, back to the ball game. Okay, Hombre. 7 minutes 15 remaining. Makalinaw.
Roldan.
Mali pinasahan. And hustle play symbol.
Ramos.
Roldan.
5 to shoot.
Roll down for 3. No good. One more time.
Shooting, that's an intercepted lang.
Lance.
Baklaan, ito lang.
No good.
Asinjo.
Same ball.
Roldan.
Roldan.
Ramos.
Drop. 2 points.
3-point lead.
3-point lead na. 3-point lead na been posted na team by team Cass. Lance.
Alisik.
Talisik. Malakas ang passing Talisik.
Real.
Malakas ang pasa. Balik. Muli po sa kasabola. Casball. Roldan. Nagpapaba ng bola. Asinjo. 2 points Asinjo.
5-point lead.
5-point lead now been posted now by Team Cass. 30-25. 5 minutes 25 remaining. Third quarter action.
Lance. Real.
Real.
Castro.
Castro, binabat na yan. Castro, tap, and now. Roldan, nagmamadali. Roldan, 2 points Roldan.
7-point lead.
Castro, inbounding. Lance, nagbababa. Ayun, Real. Wala. Hop!
Number 17, time out. Dito.
Mechanical call for the timeout.
Time.
Apat na grass cutter, tinatali ko.
Natatakot pa nga sa kanya yung
Back to the ball game.
Roldan. Makalinaw. Home break. Ramos to home break.
Baklaan, no good, hindi pumasok. Okay, Roldan, matangan si Roldan. Number 2, 2 points.
9-point lead na. Alipin.
Talisik, 2 for 3. No good. Talisik, 34-25. Lamang na po na Siyam ang Kas. Hombre, malakas. Makalinaw. Nag-aantay ng mga kasahan. Nice one. Makalinaw. Malakas. Rebound ni Prias. Baklaan. Talisik. Pops up. Talisik shooting for 2. Talisik, first shot, no good. Second shot, jumpers ready. Pops up. Nope. Hombre, nakarebound. Roldan. Nice house of play. Roldan, ayun. Makalinaw. 2 points, Makalinaw.
11-point lead.
22 minutes and 55 remaining. Sayang, traveling violation nga lang. Ramos, inbounding. Nonong Rivera is watching. Lemuel Anicet is watching also. Eto na po tayo. Roll number 3. Nope. Hop! Black ball, sabi. Hombre, last touch sa pado ni Hombre, sabi ng referee. And now to roll to Walter. Walter, nagmamadali. Walter. Baklaan. Nope, it's Castro. Castro. Bing. Double team already. Frias, pinasa mag Frias. And pops up. Lance, malakas. Walter. Nope. Roldan, nagmamadali. Roldan. Lost the ball. Lance to Frias. Nope, it's Walter. Pops up. Nope, malakas. Castro, wala pa rin. Castro called for a foul. A minute and 23 remaining. Third quarter action. Ramos pops up. Yes, sir. Second shot. Long 2 lang po yan. Long 2. 38-25. Okay. A minute remaining. Frias pops up. Yes, sir.
3-point number 1.
Roldan.
40 seconds.
Hombre. Malakas. Frias, 2 points.
30 seconds. 8-point lead. Ramos to Roldan. Amari. Ganda.
Blocking foul.
Wala pa.
70 seconds remaining.
17 seconds. Amari. To Ramos plus 3.
Nope.
Rebound by Walker. Good. 5 seconds.
Wala na. Sayang.
Eight-point lead.
Back to the ball game. Okay, balik. Lance. Talisik. 30-30. Frias. Nope. Real. Malakas. Roldan. Ramos and pops up. Makalinaw. No good. Lance. Lost the ball. Tumapak sa hita. Nice hustle by Roldan. Nice hustle by Mr. Roldan. Asinjo. Take long to lang. 10 point lead now being posted by Cass. Malakas ang pasa. Substitution, 8 minutes, 52 remaining. 40-13 score. Lamang po ng 10 ang Cass. Roldan, may tahan ng bola. Roldan, binababa. Ayan na. Makalinaw. Asinjo. Roldan. Frias. Ayun, nice selfless play. Ramos, 2 points. 8 minutes, 20 remaining. Real pops up. Ayaw. Pops up. Bang! Lance, 3 points. 9 point lead na naman. 8 minutes, 7 remaining. Makalinaw. Asinjo. Makalinaw. Nope. Lance. Lance, 2 points again. Malakas. Lost the ball. Hita! Hita, hita! Tumama si Hita!
7.8.
7 minutes 26 remaining. Real! Banging bodies! Nope! Lance again, Lance. Tingin 3, ayaw niya. Again, tingin 3. No good.
Roldan.
Roldan against Castro. Oy! Foul! Castro called for a foul. Cas muna. Cas calls for the breather. Castro, third personal foul.
It's never just inventory we move here at LBC. Things like reputation, trust, progress, and yes, even profit. We move those things too. Because we know success is a moving target. And we want to make sure you move right alongside. We move businesses here at LBC. And yes, we like to move it.
Okay, that's Team LBC. Hari ng padala. Asinjo. Pops number 2. Nope. Rebound by Castro. Real, nagmamadali na. Bakla ang pops up in nope. Nandun si Gan. Roldan, nagmamadali. Roldan, ayun. Makalinaw, 2 points. Talisik. Real. 2 points Real.
7.8.
6 minutes 19 remaining. Fourth quarter action. Roldan. Oy!
Enter si Imperial.
Nice! Lance, stingy 2. Nope. Atake. Take 2.
Paul Malinaw.
Makalinaw call for the foul.
Sa susunod.
Makalinaw call for the foul.
Makailangan sikat Paul. Gusta Conrad.
Lance shooting for 2. Pops up. Yes. First shot ni Lance at 5 minutes 51 remaining. Second shot, jumpers ready. Pops up. No. Roldan. Hombre nagmamadali. Hombre. Makalinaw. Ayun, nakalibaw. Green pump by Castro. Hassel. Walter. 5 minutes 35 remaining. Talisik. Sa lalim. Malakas.
Yun lang.
Good ball. Lance for 3. No good. Talisik. Roldan ako yung bola. Roldan. Ramos. Makalina Asinjo, no good. Up! Pop! Foul. Walter called for a foul. Hombre. Asinjo. Nope. 4 minutes 37 remaining. Lance. Naipit. Walang foul. Roldan, 2 points.
8.8. Castro.
Castro. Foul. Take two.
Ramos.
Ramos called for the foul. Castro shooting for two.
Start to shoot. 4 minutes 8 seconds.
Castro. First shot. Yes, sirree. Second shot. Lamang ng 7 ang Team Cas. Second shot, Castro. Bops up. Pulled basket made.
6.8.
Amaro, hombre, Asinjo, Amari, wala.
Rebound by
Rebound by Walter, nagmamadali. Baklaan, foul!
Foul 0-2.
Amari called for a foul, Baklaan shooting for two. Number 4, shooting for two, Baklaan per shot. Wala. Second shot, jumpers ready. Baklaan, second shot, jumpers ready. Pops up. Pasok. Lamang ng 5. 5 lang yan. Foul! Real.
On 35, Castro. Warning naman.
Real called for a foul.
Sorry, dalawa pala. Foul, dalawa.
Walang pito. Pop, traveling violation. Hombre called for traveling violation. Baklaan. Traveling violation din, tinawag ng referee.
Tension lang, sabi niya Mari.
Ano ba to? Timeout called by Mechanicos.
It's never just inventory. Fear
Things
like reputation, trust, progress, yes, even profit. We move those things too. Because we know success is a moving target. And we want to make sure you move right alongside it. We move business. And yes, we like to move it.
Okay, back to the ball game. Team LBC, harap ng padala. Asinjo. Amari 3 points, no good. Hey! Same ball. Same ball po tayo, same ball sabi. Same ball daw, same ball. Amari, Ramos, Asinjo, foul. Baklaan called for the foul. Okay, substitution na. Baklaan now 3 personal fouls. 13 foul pa lang ang Team Mechanicos at 2 minutes 29 remaining. Amari, Ramos, Roldan for 3. No good. Okay, Castro now to Real. Lands. Oy! Ouch!
Foul on number 41,
Asinjo called for a foul.
Warning for penalty.
Warning for penalty po ang Team
First
Cas.
foul on number 2 minutes, 3 seconds.
Lance, number 30, shooting for 2. Pops up. Wala.
First try, wala.
Second shot, jumpers ready po tayo.
5-point lead.
Second shot, jumpers ready by Lance. Pops up. Wala pareho. White ball. 2 minutes 2 remaining. Fourth and final quarter.
Last 2 minutes.
Last 2 minutes.
Last 2 minutes. Hombre.
Hombre, Asinjo for 2.
Asinjo.
Nope. Pero pumasok.
7-point lead.
Lucky bounce from Asinjo.
Riyad.
Wala pa rin. And Rolda and Hombre. Amare. Roldan. A minute and 33 remaining. Nagtatrap na sila.
14. Shot clock. Ayan.
Asinjo for 2. Tapos.
Walter.
Walter. Nagmamala Walter. Walter. Difficult shot. Same ball.
Same ball, 1 minute, 6 seconds. Time. Wala na,
Time out. Kas.
It's never just inventory we move here at LBC. Things like reputation, trust, progress, and yes, even profit. We move those things too. Because we know success is a moving target.
1 minute,
And we
6
want to make
seconds.
sure you move right alongside it. We move businesses here at LBC. And yes, we like
Back to the ball game. LBC, we like to move it. I like to move it. Okay, Castro. Castro, side step move, kapos. Real. Nawala ang bola.
Roldan, third.
Amare. 2 points, Amare.
45 seconds. 40 seconds.
Real, thinking 3, pops up. Kapos.
35 seconds.
35 seconds remaining. Roldan, ayan ang bola. Hop. Lance, thinking 3.
25. Lance.
Nope.
Ingat na lang. 20 seconds.
Nako, lumabas.
Ingat na lang, ingat.
Lance,
10 seconds.
no good. 8 seconds remaining. Okay, that's it for the day. Congratulations, winning win number 2 taken by Team Cas. Picture.
Ano mo kawin na? Wala na lang ba?
Siyempre.
Arang Dan! Dan! Tatlo. Wag mo na yan. Sunod na yan. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Bingo.
Okay, Team Cas now win number 2. Ang sino pang POG of the game? Ang POG po of the game is si Mr. Asinjo. Asinjo.
1, 2, 3.
Dito. And background mo yung team mo. Okay, Sir Asinjo. Congratulations for winning the game and POG po also. Maigpit po yung first 2 quarters po natin. Talagang dik-dikan.
Oo nga, sir. Teamwork pa, sir.
Teamwork lang talaga. O, sige,
Tulungan.
sir, ano pa maasahan sa last 3 games nyo pa? For the next 3 games nyo pa?
Exciting games. More exciting games. Copy.
Okay, ano pa
Pagdating
po?
pa.
Ano pa?
Yun lang.
O, sige. Okay. Paano? Lumalalim na kami. Hindi minukay. Sige, ano? 1 minute. Pati mo gusto mong batiin. Sige.
Pinapasalamatan ko ang anak ko sa pagsuporta.
O, anak daw niya. Kumawi ka naman. Kumawi ka. Live tayo.
At ang teammates.
Okay.
teammates
Okay, ano pa?
ko,
Okay.
At ang aming
Okay. Sige po.
si Duran. Si Duran, ang aming sponsor.
Okay, yan po.
Shout out kay Duran.
Duran.
Si Duran.
Okay, yan po si Mr. Asinjo. Aserong Asinjo na tawagin sa kanya. Aserong Asinjo, ang Team Cash po winning the game 2-0 na po. Pre, kaway na lang kayo din bago mag 1, 2, 3. Okay, 3, 2, 1.